Kuachania na mauvinduku alama nekiwa muthanyani wa iyo ni chama cha Wiper mbungeni ya kaunti ya Makueni kwi umuthi undu uuni wa vikasi kaloni cia mbunge. Spika Mbilo ayumia utui wa kunenganenga liko ya ala aingi kwitha na sikalo utui ula wanengano kuatiania na miao na valua ula watumwa ni mwandiki munene wa chama cha Wiper na ula ni Shakila Abdalla ayenda ma MCA ma chama ki kwamba kunenga chama ivinda inini kunengane muungamo otauutelo munene wa ma MCA yani matangasa utongo iwo mweo Kisungi wa Katete kana ayosa mwanya wa ndongo ya ala aingi mbungeni ino nilivoti yake Caleb Chalo.
Woni gwa maundu meile muthanyani wa munthi ucio kalone cia mbunge ya kaunti ya Makueni. Honorable Kisungi wa Katete kalile kivila cha ndongo ya ala aingi ulotu ye mwanyani usu Honorable Chalo Mumo MCA wa Tulimani akiunga mote ndolo tumia membo mu wa mbunge no akikulia kitumi chake cha kuunga makando na valoso ngeya na kwashakana mwanya wake ne wonsi we.
I am standing because I found my seat occupied, a seat that is designated for the leader of the majority party, Mr. Speaker, and it is not common, it is not the habit, Mr. Speaker, so I am wondering why that disrespect.
Ndio na vamuno uspika wa mbunge no Douglas Mbilo no lasimikio kumukulia Honorable Chalo Mumo kwa samwanya wake vila kingi na Chalo Mumo la lasimikasi oke kuitina.
Chalo Mumo take any seat
utongo imwe na MCA macha makecha Wiper makeka thoti wa speaker ulowetie kanande na mwanya wake katiba wa kutangaza utongo yumwe indi ni utu wa chama.
Stanza number 20. Beginning from 8, and I want to repeat. So as follows. A member elected under paragraph 7, whether majority leader, deputy, majority leader, or deputy, may be removed by a majority of votes of all members of the largest party or voting party in the county assembly.
Members of Wiper party in this house. And they are all seated here. Out of the 24 members of the Wiper party, we have 13 members out of 24 who have preceded or who have gone ahead to surpass the 50% plus 1 as stipulated within the standing order number 20. In this context, Mr. Speaker, it would be very interesting that our whole speaker cannot be able to differentiate between 11 and 13 or more.
We have lived as orphans in this house, Honorable Speaker, because of selfishness of one person who wants to live on his own and live on his own. He is the only leader in this world. He doesn't know that he needs to discuss with fellow leaders on how to lead a party, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, this constitution of the party is very clear and we can't debate about it. Honorable Speaker, the standing orders are also very clear. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. We have taken out the party and the majority leader, Kisungi wa Katete. He is my opponent. She is the whip. And he is the majority of this party. So, Honorable Speaker, a party at a letter wrote by the Secretary General, well, we are going to handle it there, if there is any, if there is any, Honorable Speaker, don't be worried about the letter from the Secretary General of our party, because that one, leave it to the party owners. We don't have a problem with that.
Valo ilo kwatie umwe kuma kweula utwe majority whip Magdalene Molwa na ungekuma valave olosa kuiweta majority whip Joyce Mwende ama eleti itumisyo sia kwitha me mwanyani usu kana kulea na kumwe mwanyani usu. Valua wa katatu we kuma kula kwe Secretary General wa chama cha Wiper Shakila Abdalla akuleti a member mambu kungamya ki na kwete lotu wa chama methana muvutho yukite. Yukila kielele twene moloto kuma kwe utongo iwayulu wa chama cha Wiper. Caleb Chalo, Mutongo TV, Vilingi wa Maovo.